Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to cancel autopay on Google Pay in 2026. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Google Pay application. So this is my Google Pay application as you know here. So if you want to cancel your autopay option, what you have to do here. So on top you will find your username, that is here. Just click the button. You will find lot of options. Just scroll down, you will have your autopay option over here as you see here. Just click the button. There is no pending request. There will be a live request, pending request and completed will be there. So you can identify. So there will be two live things will be there. For example, I have cancelled, or I have whatever I have cancelled will be the pending or completed one. So live will be there. So I want to cancel this one. What I have to do here? Just click the UPI subscription and just click here. In the downside you will find a cancel autopay. Just hit the button cancel autopay and just click S option. Automatically you have to give your Google password, Google Pay password to cancel your autopay as you see here. So my autopay option is being cancelled. On top I will receive a notification over here. Just close this one. I just want to show you again. Just go to autopay. Okay, there will be an option called autopay live option. So as you see here, the pending and completed will be there. Just go to live, just click here and you will find your pause autopay or cancel autopay. So if you want, you can pause autopay, otherwise just click here to cancel autopay and just click here to S to cancel autopay. So give your user password and you can cancel your autopay option. As you see here, autopay cancelled, so that there is no live automatic payment option will be there in the Google Pay. So this video will help you to check your Google Pay whether everything is live. Is there any autopay options is live? Just check your Google Pay and let me know in the comment box. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.